Alright, we're back. Paint job is done. Only thing we gotta do left is put a decal right here, just like the other side. And we got door decals to put on when we get to the event. And we're gonna put the roof side on when we get to the event as well, most likely. Just so that doesn't come off and the decals don't peel off on the way there. But this is what we're going with. We were gonna do majority black. Actually, all of it was supposed to be black. But I went a little bit different. Keep it black everywhere else. Just change the doors a little bit, something different. But she thinks she looks good. Should probably pull her in the shop here. You guys want to say hi to the new DDT family member here? Her name is Aurora, or Rory for short. Just got her a couple days ago. So besides crunch time of finishing this build, gotta raise a puppy. So see if we can pull this inside here real quick. Might try to get it on video. Hopefully it doesn't turn out like shit. So give me a second. All right, that's it. There we go. Finally in the shop. Just gotta change oil, a couple other things. Decals, should be good to go. May 1st, Webster City, Iowa again. Buddy Heat will be running. Should be right in the middle of the event, so be looking forward to that, guys.